Hi there. Yes, we are back again. Back again for the fifth puzzle of this additional in today's newspaper on a Monday, May the 18th. What kind of a binary puzzle is this? Let me count the boxes first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means 4 O's in a row or in a column, and 4 ones in a row or in a column. Alright, so let's get started. I have already placed the 4 ones. Here we have also 4 ones in a column, so the rest are O's. How about let me see, between 2 ones comes an O, double 1 here and O, then O, double O here and 1, then 1. Between 2 O's come double O here and 1, then 1. Double O here and 1, then 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. We have here also 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then let me see. I cannot place in the 4th O here. Otherwise we have 3 ones in a row, so this should be a 1. Then double O here and 1, then 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's in a row, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have a double 1 here and O, then O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O here and 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here and O, then O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones in the column, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, then 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, this was a quick binary puzzle. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and in a minute I will start with the last Sudoku, a tectonic, aka Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye.